What if I told you that quitting porn could be the most powerful decision that you'll ever make? Not just to break free from this addiction, but to unlock the version of yourself that you've never even met. When this episode, I'm going to dive into the 10 life-changing benefits of quitting porn and rewiring your brain so that you can take back control of every single area of your life and become the man that you were called and created to be. For those of you that are not aware of who I am, my name is Coach Frank Rich, founder of Rebuilt Recovery and host of the Rebuilt Man podcast. And it is our mission to help men become better men by quitting porn and rebuilding in their lives. So diving into today's episode, we're going to talk about these benefits and how you can begin to experience a life of freedom, the life that you were put on this earth to live and become the man that you were called and created to be. Number one, when you quit porn, you're going to experience a higher level of clarity and focus. When you quit porn, the fog in your brain begins to clear. You start to see the world differently. Your ability to focus sharpens and you can think more clearly. This mental clarity will help you in tackling tasks with more energy, more purpose, whether it's in your work, relationships, or personal growth. So the first benefit that we're talking about here today is an improvement in your clarity and focus. Number two here is you're going to develop greater self-control. Porn and porn addiction, we know, stills your ability to control your impulses. By quitting, by getting free, you're training your brain to learn how to delay gratification, make better conscious and intentional choices in your life. Now, what's going to happen is this discipline is going to spill over into every other area of your life, giving you the strength to make better and more healthy decisions. Number three here, we're going to talk about confidence and the enhanced and increased self-confidence that you will find and create through quitting porn. Now, breaking free from porn, we know is a massive confidence booster, especially if it's something that you've been struggling with and trying to quit for a period of time. You start to trust yourself again. You start to no longer feel shackled by the guilt and or shame associated with your poor decisions. Now, this empowerment will show in the way that you walk, talk, and approach your goals and your life. So the third benefit here, men, that we're going to talk about, or we did talk about, is going to be the enhanced confidence and self-confidence in yourself. Number four here, removing porn is going to spill over into your relationships. You're going to notice an improved intimacy within all of your relationships because we know that porn steals and destroys our real intimacy. We know it steals and destroys our ability to really connect with others. Quitting porn, getting this out of your life is going to allow you to rebuild trust, emotional closeness, and a stronger bond with your spouse, with your wife, with your partner, with your male friends as well. You're going to become much more present, more engaged in those moments. And your relationships, whether these are the romantic, intimate ones or the platonic friendships, will improve dramatically. So number four here, guys, is going to be your relationships. And many of you out there right now, I know, are struggling with loneliness and isolation. Now, number five here is going to be the increase in your overall energy towards life. The energy that you've been wasting on porn is energy that could be invested into your passions, into your health, into your career, into your personal growth. When you quit, when you find freedom, you reclaim back that energy and it fuels your ambitions. You start walking and waking up with more motivation and purpose to tackle every single day. So those are the first five here. We're talking about improved clarity, focus, greater and improved self-control, increased self-confidence, improved relationship, and overall higher level of energy and excitement to tackle the day. Now, if you're out there and you're struggling and you're looking for a place in a community to connect with men all across the globe, I've just launched our brand new free school community. If you go to school.com/the Rebuilt Man, you get access to live trainings. You get access to a group of men all across the globe. You get access to courses, to additional expert training resources inside of our classroom over there at school. So click the link down there below in the show notes or visit school.com/the Rebuilt Man to join us in our community today. Now back to these benefits, guys. We've already unpacked the first five. We're talking about number six here. It's going to be an increasement in your overall productivity. With that new clarity and improved focus that we talked about beginning is going to overcome or is going to come higher levels of productivity. You're no longer going to be distracted or feel the need to waste time on screens. You have more hours in the day to get a whole lot more done. What's you're going to find though is you're going to happen to hit these goals a whole lot faster. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to create a cyclical effect, because with hitting your goals faster, you're going to feel a renewed sense of achievement, and you're going to want to go out there and pursue even bigger goals. So increased productivity is one of the greatest benefits for men that are looking to level up, for men that are looking to take their life to the next levels. Okay, number 7 here is growing your emotional control and stability. Guys, we know that porn numbs your emotions. It keeps you stuck in this loop of highs and lows. Now, when you quit, when you find freedom, your brain is going to begin to start to stabilize and return back to baseline. You'll feel fewer and fewer mood swings. You'll have more emotional resilience. See, and the ability to handle stress without needing to escape is going to become how you navigate your life. Okay, so it's going to keep you from falling into these vices. It's going to keep you from falling into these destructive habits. Number 8 here, guys, is you're going to be back connected with a deeper sense of purpose and meaning for your life. When you're no longer feeling chained and shackled to pornography, you'll begin to rediscover, men, who you really are, who God has called you to be. You'll connect with this deeper sense of purpose. This is fundamental. This is absolutely necessary to create lasting freedom. Now, these purpose is going to be driven by your core values and the vision that you have for yourself inside of this new purpose for you. This transformation is going to be the most powerful gifts that you will experience in quitting porn, guys. And we have a training inside of our school community to help you craft and create that vision for the future. Okay, so that's number 8, is being deeper connected to your sense of purpose and meaning in life. Number 9 here is improved and better overall physical health. Guys, it's not a secret, and you can try to pretend that it isn't having an impact, but porn addiction is having a profound impact on your physical energy, whether it's robbing you of your sleep, impacting your sleep, draining you of your energy, affecting your libido, keeping you from going out there pursuing your goals. Now, when you quit, when your brain begins to heal, your body will follow its lead. Your body will begin to heal as well. That increased energy, that improved focus, that bigger sense of meaning is going to drive you to want to take your physique to the next level. You're going to sleep better. You're going to have more stamina. You're going to experience greater vitality and libido as well. So if you're out there and you're struggling with porn and also struggling with health, attacking these 2 goals together is what's going to lead you to number 9 benefit that we just talked about right here, which is an improvement in your overall physical health. And number 10 here, guys, and this may be the most important and powerful benefit that comes with getting porn out of your life, is experiencing what freedom and self-empowerment really, really feels like. Okay, at the end of the day, quitting porn is not about quitting porn. It is about creating a life of freedom. It's about taking back control of the life and stepping into the life and the man that you were called to be. Okay, rewiring your brain is going to unlock a new vision for the future for you, where you are no longer enslaved by the shackles of this addiction, and you will have the focus, clarity, meaning, purpose, physical health, relationships, drive to go out there and pursue your highest potential. 10 benefits, guys. 10 benefits that I've experienced, that men inside our school community are experiencing, and the 1,100 plus clients that we've worked with over the last 5 years. Clarity and focus, greater self-control, enhanced confidence, improved relationships, boosted energy levels, higher levels of increased productivity, better self-regulation and emotional control, deeper sense of purpose and meaning, better physical health, and actually walking and experiencing what a life of freedom truly is, guys. Now, if you're free and you're still tuning in, guys, drop me a message, drop me a comment. I'd love to hear what your biggest benefit of getting porn out of your life is. And like I said, guys, if you're looking for a place to connect with the tools, with the resources, with the community, with the support and the accountability to get porn completely out of your life and step into the life that you were called and created to be, visit school.com/the rebuilt man. Join us for free today and unlock your life of freedom. But Coach Frank at The Rebuilt Man, we love you guys. 10 benefits to quitting porn and rebuilding your life. See you in the next one.